Hello students, welcome to our channel Learning Notebook. It is always fun to learn maths through activities. So today we have come up with an interesting and creative working model for you to understand and learn types of polynomials. But before starting with this video, let me tell you that we have many more maths art integrated activities, projects and working models on our channel Learning Notebook. You can find the list of all such videos on our website as well. The link to our website is below in the description box. For this activity, we need few colorful thick sheets, a ruler, a black marker pen, a pencil, a pair of scissors, a compass, a box of crayons or pencil colors, and nut and bolt. Aim of this art integrated activity is to make a working model to learn types of polynomials on the basis of terms and degree. If you are enjoying watching videos on our channel, then do like, share and comment on our videos. Also, do not forget to subscribe to our channel Learning Notebook. So let's start and first understand what are terms. Consider a polynomial 4x plus 5. It has two terms, 4x and 5. Similarly, let's take another polynomial x cube plus x square plus 9. This polynomial has three terms, x cube, x square and 9. Now let's learn types of polynomials on the basis of terms. There are three types of polynomials on the basis of terms. First is monomials. Polynomials having only one term are called monomials. For example, 5x, 3 minus 9y square, all these have only one term. So such polynomials are called monomials. Now, second type of polynomial is binomials. Polynomials having two terms are called binomials. For example, 4x square plus 9, 3x square minus x. Both these polynomials have two terms. So they are binomials. And the third types of polynomials are trinomials. Polynomials having three terms are called trinomials. For example, 2x cube plus 2x plus 1 and 4y square plus y plus 7. These two polynomials have three terms. So they are called trinomials. Now let's learn what is degree of a polynomial. Highest power of a variable in a polynomial is known as the degree of the polynomial. Let's consider a polynomial 4x cube plus 5x square plus x plus 7. In the first term, power of x is 3. In the second term, power of x is 2. In the third term, power of x is 1. And in the fourth term, power of x is 0. So the highest power of x in this polynomial is 3, which is the degree of this polynomial. Now let's learn types of polynomials on the basis of degree. There are three types of polynomials on the basis of degree. First is linear polynomial. A polynomial of degree 1 is called linear polynomial. For example, 3x minus 1, 2 minus y. Both these polynomials have degree 1. So they are called linear polynomials. Now second type of polynomial is quadratic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 2 is called quadratic polynomial. For example, 4x square plus 9 and 3x square minus 5x plus 2. Both these polynomials, they have degree as 2. So these polynomials are called quadratic polynomials. And the third type of polynomial is cubic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 3 is called cubic polynomial. For example, 2x cube plus 2x plus 1 and y cube minus 1. Both these polynomials have degree 3. So these are cubic polynomials. Students, to learn how to use square root spiral to draw a crab, you can refer to our separate activity. We also have an interesting and colorful activity on how to factorize a quadratic polynomial. I would recommend you to watch both these videos. Their links are below in the description box. Now we will start with our activity. In the first step, take a green sheet of paper and draw a circle of radius 10 cm on it. And then carefully cut out this circle using pair of scissors. In the next step, let's take an orange colored sheet and draw the circle of same radius on it. And again carefully cut out this circle. Now we will take a yellow colored sheet and this time we will draw a circle of radius 8 cm on it. And then we will carefully cut out this circle. In the next step, take a white colored sheet and this time draw a circle of 4 cm on it. Then carefully cut out this circle. Students, we also have an interesting activity to learn what is transversal and angles made by transversal. I am sure you will find this video very useful for you. The link to this video is below in the description box. Now students, take the white circle and divide it into two halves. Color one half of the circle in red and other half in blue. Then we will write the headings as on the basis of terms, on the basis of degree. Now students, take the yellow circle and divide it into 6 equal parts as shown here. Then place the red-blue circle on this yellow circle. Next, let's write the types of polynomials on the basis of terms. First is monomials. We will write a brief definition of it. Polynomials with only one term. Next type is binomials. Polynomials with two terms. And then we will write trinomials. Polynomials with 3 terms. Now we will write the types of polynomials on the basis of degree. First is linear polynomial. which means polynomials with degree 1. Then quadratic polynomials, which are polynomials with degree 2. And then cubic polynomials, which are polynomials with degree 3. Now students, take the green circle and divide it into 6 equal parts. Then place the yellow circle and red and blue circle on this green circle and make sure to match their centers. Next, write the examples of each one of them which I told you earlier. We have number of activities to prove Pythagoras theorem in different ways. So do refer to these videos. Now students, take the orange circle and cut out a window at an angle of 60 degrees from this circle. Students, after cutting out the window, the orange circle should look like this. Now let's write the heading on it. Types of polynomials. We have maths projects on all the circle theorems where we are proving these theorems with the help of colorful and interesting activities. So I would recommend you to watch these videos. You will find their links at our website as well as on our channel Learning Notebook. So students, now we have made all the preparations for our working model. So let's assemble it. We will take one A3 size cardboard and paste a yellow chart paper on it. Now on this cardboard, first place the green circle, then place the yellow circle on it, and then we will place the red and blue circle on this yellow circle. And on the top of all these circles, we will place the orange circle. Now students, locate the centers of these circles and align them. Then fix all of them on the cardboard using nut and bolt. You should be able to rotate these circles as shown here. So students, now our working model to learn types of polynomials on the basis of terms and degree is complete. If you are a teacher, this working model will certainly help you to teach students the concept of types of polynomials in a fun way. You can also play a puzzle by rotating these yellow, green and red and blue circles. And if you are a student, this activity is very useful for you to make Maths Art Integrated project on types of polynomials. Thanks for watching and do watch my other videos too. Bye-bye.